What's the meaning of adapt? Adapt. 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 The word adapt refers to the ability of something or someone to adjust or modify themselves in response to changing circumstances or environments. When a person or organism adapts, they are able to cope with new challenges and thrive in different situations. This can involve changing behaviors, physical traits, or thought patterns in order to better suit the needs of their environment. Successful adaptation can result in improved survival rates, increased productivity, and overall better quality of life. However, failure to adapt can lead to negative consequences such as decreased health, lower success rates, or even extinction.